Susmita, and in this video I am going to show you how to make a beautiful hand painted saree. And this is my second series. In the first series I have shown you how to make a beautiful hand painted chador mekhela, and that is already uploaded. You can go through my channel and you can visit it. And this is my second episode, hand painted saree, how to make it. So today I am going to show you how to make a hand painted saree, and what are the processes, how to sell it and how to wear it. So all the processes you can see in this video, and for that please watch till the end. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe, follow it and share with your friends so that everyone will be benefited. To make this saree I have taken a this one is green color, sap green color, and this is 100 ml bottle. Then I have taken purple color. Different companies are there, so I have bought from Camel company. Fevicryl company is also there. This is also Camel. And white color, this is from Fevicryl company, and these are available in online also, and some wholesale market also you can visit. If you are from Guwahati, then you can buy from some wholesale market from Fancy Bazaar, or you can buy from online also. You will get some discount also if you buy from online, like Flipkarts, Amazon and all. And these are the colors I have used for to make this beautiful saree. So how to start and what are the processes, so let's start.